Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're starting something called a ring a day. Today I am going to do something kind of fun and beneficial to me.
Thank you. Have a good one, guys.
So we're back after delicious burger. So I grabbed some measuring tape, some pencil, and just a ruler. I basically came across this origami folding thing of a ring. Basically, you just braid 3 strips of paper together. First of all, you are going to measure your ring size. Whichever ring you want to do, and you just go ahead and wrap your finger with your measuring tape. I'm gonna do 2 3/4. No, failed. I failed. That's okay. We fail all the time. So that's the thing about experiment, right? See, it already unraveled. So no. And then I also got some glue so they can stick together. Essentially, this is really just a paper. Join the two together. Tuck it in there. Get in there. I'm gonna put some glue in here. And hold it tight so it will stay in place. Yay! So there you have it. That's how you use these guys to make into, 2 little rings. You can make more. I mean, you can keep braiding as long as you want. You can make a bracelet out of it. You can necklace or like a choker. It smells like innout. Ugh. Yeah, it's awesome. That's why I chose these guys, so I can always smell like innout with me. Ah!
Oh my goodness!
What happened? Help me.
My goodness, bro. You just sat on the damn fries.